Good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss the Cooperative Society's panel account. Last lectures we have discussed about the Cooperative Society's theoretical part. In that we have discussed about the various kinds of terms regarding the bylaws in the Cooperative Societies Act, etc. Now we will discuss the problem about the final account. Problem number 1. You are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year end date 31st 3 2019 and a balance sheet as on that date and given in respect of the Khar Consumer Cooperative Society Mumbai. Particulars: debit rupees, credit rupees, share capital 50,000, calls in errors 5,000, reserve fund 7,500, development fund 2,500, opening stock of consumer goods 55,000, furniture 24,000, education fund 4,000, creditors for purchases 10,000, sundry debtors 15,000, commission payable 2,000, salaries 35,500, commission 8,700, rent and taxes 10,000, postage 1350, travelling and conveyance 1,200, printing and stationery 1,500, dividend paid for 2018-19 4,500, audit fees 2,000, interest on investment 5,000, profit and loss appropriation account balance 30,000, equipment 10,000, audit fees 250, purchases 8 lakhs, carriage and coolie charges 20,000, investment 50,000, sales 10 lakh 30,000, cash in hand 12,500, cash at bank 85,000, total of the both the side 11 lakh 41,250. Adjustment number 1. Outstanding rent payable on 31st 3 2019 was 500. Outstanding salary payable on 31st 3 2019 was rupees 1,000. Of the salary paid, rupees 1,500 was as an advance to employee on 31st 3 2020. Interest accrued on investments rupees 1,000. Directors recommend 10% dividend to its shareholders and transfer of rupees 500 to development funds. Charge 5% depreciation on furniture. Closing stock of consumer goods is valued at cost rupees 70,000. Provide rupees 100 for education fund. Now friends, they are provided various kinds of information regarding the Khar education, Khar Cooperative Housing Society. These are one of the important part. Now what we have to prepare, it is a consumer cooperative society and we will prepare a trading account, profit and loss account, the balance sheet. How we will prepare that we are going to discuss. Now let us discuss which kinds of accounts we will prepare. Now what kind of account, trading account we will prepare, profit and loss account we will prepare separately. We will prepare profit and loss appropriation account, then we will prepare balance sheet. So these are the accounting treatments are there that we will discuss. Now friends, we will discuss about the trial balance items one by one. Share capital, balance sheet as a balance sheet liability side. We have to write balance sheet liability side, share capital 50,000. Calls in errors less from share capital. Calls in errors less from share capital. Reserve fund, balance sheet liability side. Development fund, balance sheet liability side. Opening stock of consumer goods, trading account debit side. Furniture, balance sheet asset side. Education fund, balance sheet liability side. Creditors for purchases, it is a liability. Then after that, sundry debtors asset. Commission payable, it is a payable means the outstanding liability. Salary, profit and loss account debit side. Commission, profit and loss account debit side. Rent and taxes, profit and loss account debit side. Postage also profit and loss account debit side. Traveling expenses, profit and loss account debit side. Printing and stationery also profit and loss account debit side. Dividend paid, it is a profit and loss appropriation account debit side. Profit and loss account appropriation account debit side. Audit fees, profit and loss account. Interest on investment, it is the income, profit and loss account credit side. Profit and loss appropriation account balance, it is the last year balance. We have to show as a opening balance in profit and loss account credit side by balance brought down. Equipment is asset, balance sheet asset side. Audit admission fees, it is credit side, it is the income, profit and loss account credit side. Purchases, trading account debit side. Then carriage and coolie charges, trading account debit side, investment balance sheet asset side, sales trading account credit side, cash in hand 12,500 balance sheet asset side, cash at a bank balance sheet asset side. You see friends, we are consider the each and every items related to the trial balance. Now let us discuss about the adjustments. Outstanding rent payable, outstanding rent payable, it is add to rent first effect, and second effect balance sheet liability side. Outstanding salary payable, the outstanding salary payable, it is a payable means a due, outstanding is not paid. The outstanding salary we have to add it to the salary. Next effect balance sheet asset side. Of the salary paid, 1,000 paid was in advance. The advance salary, it is a prepaid salary, so less from salary 1,500. And next effect we have to show balance sheet asset side. Interest accrued on investment rupees 1,000. Interest accrued on investment rupees 1,000. So this particular accrued interest we have to add it to the investments. Accrued interest we have to add it to the investments. And in second effect we have to consider about the interest accrued on investment. It is accrued means it is not received, but it is accrued, it is generated. And whenever the accrued interest is there, that we have to show in our investment account. Then after that friends, next is directors recommend the 10% dividend to be to its shareholders and transfer of the 500 to the development funds. The director recommend the 10% dividend. So whenever dividend is there, so we have to calculate the dividend on share capital. If you see that the share capital value in our problem, it was 50,000. From this 50,000, 5,000 call center is deducted. Rest of the value is 45,000. On that we have to charge the dividend. We have to charge the dividend 10%. 10% dividend. It means our share capital value rupees 50,000. From this 50,000 we will deducted calls in errors, that is rupees 5,000. So rest of the capital rupees 45,000. This particular capital we have to find out the dividend value. Dividend from this 45,000 we have to find out 10% dividend. So dividend will be dividend 10% value rupees 4,500. So it is a current year dividend. It is a current year dividend. Dividend we have to show profit and loss appropriation account debit side. Dividend we have to show profit and loss appropriation account debit side. So these things you have to keep in mind where we have to show the items in our accounts. Then after that friends, transfer rupees 500 to development fund. Transfer rupees 500 to development fund. Now this particular 500 we have to transfer. So dividend, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account debit side 4,500, that we have to write. And only one effect we have to give. The director recommend 10% dividend, it is a 4,500. We have to show the profit and loss account appropriation account, profit and loss appropriation account. But second we have to give as a contingent liability, and it will not show in our trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. It will show as a footnote. Okay, then transfer rupees 500 to the development fund. The development fund 500 they transfer. So these are 500 rupees we have to show in profit and loss appropriation account debit side. profit and loss appropriation account debit side, that particular amount of the 500. Then after that, charge 5% depreciation on furniture. Furniture value is 24,000. That 5% depreciation is 1,200 that we have to deduct it. And next effect we have to show our profit and loss account debit side. Provide rupees 100 for education fund. So this particular fund, education funds, 100 rupees provided. So it will show we have to add it to education fund rupees 100. So I hope you understood this everything regarding this. And second effect of the education fund, we have to show profit and loss account debit side. So these are terminologies there. I hope you understood. Now let us discuss one by one. The first item we will record it share capital. So we already draw the all the ledgers and balance sheet also. So we will write here balance sheet liability side to share capital, and inner column we have to write 45,000. After that, next is calls in errors 5,000. So we will deduct it the calls in errors from the share capital less calls in errors rupees 5,000. We will deduct it. We have to deduct this particular value, and rest of the it was a 50,000. It was a 50,000. If you see that in our trial balance it was a 50,000, we will deduct the 5,000 as a calls in errors. Rest of the value is 45,000. After recording this, next item reserve fund 7,500. Reserve fund we have to show. We will keep some one line and then we have to write here reserve fund, and directly we have to put 7,500. After recording the 7,500 as a reserve fund, next is development fund 2,500. We have to show here development fund. Value of development fund is 2,500. After recording the development fund, next item is opening stock of consumer goods 55,000. We will record this particular opening stock in our trading account debit side to opening stock, and opening stock value is 55,000. After recording the opening stock, next is furniture 24,000. We have to show furniture value balance sheet asset side. We will write here furniture, it is 24,000. We will put inner column because we have to deduct the depreciation. After furniture, education fund 4,000. Education fund 4,000 we have to show balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. We will write here education fund, and we will keep inner column because some part of the education fund in current year balance we have to add. Then creditors for purchases 10,000. Creditors we have to show balance sheet liability side. We will leave some lines or around 2-3 lines, and then we can start here creditors, and directly we have to put creditors 10,000 outer column. After recording the creditors, next is sundry debtors 15,000. Sundry debtors, leave one line and then you can write, or leave 2-3 lines, then you can start Sundry debtors. Value of sundry debtors, they are provided rupees 15,000. After recording the sundry debtors, next is commission payable 2,000. Payable means outstanding. Commission payable we have to show here liability side. Commission payable value rupees 2,000 be recorded. Next is after commission, next item is salaries 35,500. So we will record this in profit and loss account debit side to salaries. The value of salaries, they are provided 35,500. We will keep inner column. After recording salary, next item is there commission 8,700. So we will leave 2-3 lines and then you can write to commission. Now this commission is debit side of the trial balance, so it is expenses 8,700. We will keep directly outer column 8,700. After recording the commission, next item is rent and taxes 10,000. So rent and taxes we will write here to rent and taxes. Inner column we have to write there is a one adjustment of the rent. Then after recording the rent, postage 1350 to postage, outer column 1350. After recording the postage, next is traveling and conveyance 1,200. So we will write here to traveling and conveyance. Amount is traveling and conveyance amount is 1,200. After recording the traveling and conveyance, next is printing and stationery 1,500. So we will write here to printing and stationery 1,500. After recording the printing and stationery, next item is there, that is dividend paid 4,500. It is for 2018-19. It is a last year dividend and they paid current year. Last year dividend paid current year. We have to show profit and loss appropriation account debit side to dividend paid, outer column 4,500. It is a last year dividend paid. We have to show profit and loss appropriation account. Next is audit fees 2,000. Audit fees record, we have to record profit and loss account to audit fees amount. We have to keep outer column 2,000. After recording audit fees, next item interest on investment 5,000. So we have to show this in our profit and loss account credit side by interest on investment. Inner column we have to show there is a one particular adjustment that we have to consider. 5,000 interest on investment 5,000. Next is profit and loss appropriation account balance 30,000. It is the opening balance, so we have to show profit and loss account debit side, credit side by balance brought down. The opening balance is there 30,000. After recording this balance, Next is equipment 10,000. It is a fixed asset. We have to show equipment. Equipment directly we have to write equipment value 10,000. There is no depreciation. After recording equipment item admission fee 250, it is the income of the car cooperative society or cooperative society's income. The admission fee we have to show as an income. Leave two lines and then you can write by admission fee, and value we have to put directly outer column 250 after recording the admission fees. Next is purchases 8 lakhs. Purchases we have to show trading account debit side 2 per purchases. Directly put outer column 8 lakhs after recording the purchases. Next item is there, that is carriage and coolie charges 20,000. Same carriage to carriage and coolie charges. We have to show profit and trading account debit side, and value is 20,000. After recording this, next item is there, investment 50,000. We have to show balance sheet asset side. We have to show balance sheet asset side investment value. So we have to write here investment. Directly put 50,000 to outer column. After recording the investments, next item is sales 10,30,000. Sales we have to show trading account credit side by sales. Directly put outer column 10,30,000 after recording sales. Next item, cash in 12,500. Cash in hand 12,500. So we will write here, leave one line, write cash in hand 12,500. Then friends, next item is there, that is cash at bank 85,000. Cash at bank 85,000. Cash at bank 85,000. Okay, so I hope you understood. We have posted all the trial balance items in a particular format. Okay, now we will discuss the adjustments.